quick before I throw the box away, in case y'all are interested in this part. All right, what's up, guys? This one, I'm gonna get right into it. Come here. Come here. It's my bad. I'm talking to my dog. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna be doing the skunk 2 fuel rail. I'm gonna be getting ready to go tuned by ASP. I'm finally saying it, out there in Fresno, California. I'm doing the RDX injector, skunk 2 fuel rail, RBC cam gear, maybe Type S oil pump if I fill up to it, but possibly not. I don't know yet. I do plan on going turbo, so I don't know. I gotta think of the pros and cons too. I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start tearing down the fuel rail. It's really easy, actually. I saw no videos on this fuel rail, so I thought I'd do it. I'm already making YouTube videos, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to do the first one. Yeah, I chose skunk 2 because the homie Michael hooked it up, and 2, I actually do fuck with skunk 2. When I used to build my old Hondas, I used to always get skunk 2 parts, so it's kind of like a little throwback to the people who know me and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab it, pop the hood, take the fuel rail, put the new one on, and that's it, because I'm daily in this car right now, so I can't have it down. So I'm gonna get right to it. Damn. Alright, so I noticed my power steering is kind of low. Like, it looks low. Good thing I got some OEM power steering fluid right here. Fuck it. Throw some in, and then I'll get started with that shit right there. Alright, now we got the sticker. I don't know if I should put it, like, honestly right here, or fuck, I'm running out of space right here, like right there. Fuck it, I'm gonna put it right there. 1 second. So it looks like all I need is a 10mm and a flathead. If it really is that easy, I'm gonna trip out, low-key. So we'll see. Sorry guys, it was a 12. Came out here like a dumbass thinking it was a 10 and it was a 12. Don't do what I did. So I just passed it over. I'm hoping for the best, guys. I really am. I'm a little scared to put this on, I ain't gonna lie. Honestly, I ain't gonna front. I really like how it looks. Big surprise, low-key. Things are going good on the build. Alright, let me finish this up. I'm tucking this really quick. I'm just deleting this cover, and I'm gonna tuck the injector, like the connectors, under. And then I ran into a problem. The little thing is hitting this, so I have to get the right wrench and turn it a little more that way, and then I can click it. Fuck, so I ran into a little issue. I'm gonna try to finish though. If not, I'll just do it tomorrow. Have the day off. Alright, so everything's done, but still that problem that the line is not going in because this is hitting. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm just gonna delete that, or if I could just loosen this enough to maybe give me a little bit. I don't know. I really don't. I didn't know that was gonna have this issue, but fuck it. Gotta do it, right? Okay guys, I got it in, but it's gonna be a bitch to take out if I ever gotta do it again, which I do when I get my injectors. I put it right there. Like, it's hella tight. Fuck. Hey, I need the car to run though, so for now. I'm gonna plan on deleting that for when I get the injectors. I'm gonna look into it. everything looks good. I'm gonna try to start it. Let's see. It didn't leak. I guess it's running good. What do you mean? Oh, you know, when they were rubbing? Yeah, the car's running good now.
Looks good.
Yeah. So I just, like I said, I did the fuel run. And then I got to get the injectors. And then I got to go tune it. And then hopefully good numbers. And then I'm going to cut a hood in my roof eventually. I mean, on my thing right here. And it's going to be the turbo right there in the back. Yeah.
That looks nice.
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully things work out.
Do you want to get have you ever thought about like getting a truck?
A truck, maybe. Slamming it.
Huh?
So guys, the install was complete. I've turned it on a few times. It starts right up, no leaks, no nothing. And I'm about to go drive it right now. I'm gonna go get like a monster because like I'm kind of tired, but I'm not trying to go to bed yet. And next on the list for the TSX is still the mod stuff for the engine and a quick release. I'm trying to take off all the Honda stuff. I'm kind of tired of the Honda look. So I plan to get a quick release, debadge the rear, and just maybe plastic dip the front logo maybe. And then I gotta figure out still my ABS stuff. I'm gonna do the ABS sensor from the TLS on the right side over here because it had came up on the last video. If you haven't watched that, go watch it. When I was exposing the build. So hopefully I can knock some of those lights out, and then this one will be off when I go retune the car. So, you know, a lot is coming for the build. It's just taking time. You guys got to remember I have a life on the side of this, and I am a father. So I have a daughter, and you know, I have priorities, but I am trying to get my build done. And then after I do all this motor / quick release, we should be going turbo. And then after that, we're gonna freshly paint the car, and let's see how far we could take it. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, show me some love. You know, every time I see some subscribers, we're almost at 500 too. Every time I see subscribers, it makes me happy. When you guys comment, even if it's negative, I still take it as a comment because I want to know why, you know. So like, whatever you gotta say or comment, just let me know. Love y'all. Hope to see y'all on the next one, and have a good day. Thank you for watching. Deuces. Keep your mind, I eat